welcome to my channel. By the way, this is Rocky and Jax. I just want to get into my videos, so here they are. Had to be in the way. Alright then. Because you're cute. Alright. So, I just got this in the mail today. My delivery guy just left. There's that. Is what it looks like. Alright. Okay. That. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited to get this one because I've been wanting to have this. Okay. Hello. Hello. I just want to get in. I got the blush color. Alright. Oh, it's hard to open. Alright. Hold on. And also it comes with this dust bag. Okay. Alright, there's that. It's so cute. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's a miniature suitcase, only there's no wheels. And yeah, it's hard shell. It really looks like an actual suitcase, and it's from focus. Right, awaytravel.com. You guys should check them out. They're so cool. They have really nice affordable suitcase in there too. I'm planning to get one day soon. Alright, there's that. That's what it looks like. Hold on. There you go. It's really cool. The material is really good. Alright. Oh, I just closed it. Try to open it, not close it back. Okay, I'm struggling right here. Okay, alright, it's open. And this is what it looks like inside. Oh, don't mind my nails. Alright, that's what it looks like. It's like kind of shiny material inside. And a kind of mesh thing. You could put stuff in here. You could use this for your electronics, gadgets, small gadgets in here, or makeup. But I think I'm gonna put makeup in here because it's too cute. I don't want to ruin the color, and you know, I'll just put some, you know, like batteries and all that. I'm going next week to Georgia to see Thomas, so I'm definitely gonna use this one. It saves a lot of space too. So yeah, there's that. And if you want me to do pack with me video, just let me know and I'll film one. Alright. Okay, there's that. It's so cute. I'm so excited to get this one. I've been wanting to get one of their I already said this product. Yeah, I'm planning to get the actual suitcase, maybe even just the you know, the carry-on one is really good. I'll leave their link down below if you're interested. Right. There's that. Okie dokie. Okay. Comes with this mesh bag. I could probably use this for something like slippers or shoes, sneakers. But maybe I could just put this back in this bag, that one in this bag, just to keep them clean. Never know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And again, if you want me to do a pack with me video, just let me know and leave a comment down below. Thank you.